Okay, how to start the Honda Accord. This is a 2017, but they're all similar. On this one, if you press the button, it'll illuminate the dash and turn on the stereo, the head unit there. Then if you press it again, it'll turn auxiliary on. And if you press it again, it'll turn everything off. Well, if you just put your foot on the brake and press the button, the car will start, but the key needs to be nearby. So I usually just leave it down here. If that doesn't work, then it's possible maybe the switch is bad on the brake switch, and so maybe it doesn't think that you're pressing down the brake. So that could be an issue, or maybe you're not pressing it far enough down. I don't think that would be an issue, but those are basically the steps. Another reason, maybe your battery's dead. So definitely after cold weather, or if the car's been sitting for a long time, you might want to check the date on the battery and go get yourself a new battery. So that's what I would do. If you're getting a clicking noise, then it's probably your battery. So, and then a lot of times you can take the battery in and just exchange it. So if this helps, please like so other people can find this video, and check out my other videos on this vehicle at the end of this video. Thank you.